Hi guys, it's Mal back on the Plague Farm. We're on day 5 and we come back down to the ford where we left off last time. Decided to carry on from here. I found a few nice buckles here, so I'll work out from the ford. And you can see we're having a drought here in the southeast of England, and the spring that normally comes in from the top of the fields over there is totally dried up. So we shall carry on. Got about a 5-hour hunt today, so we'll come round into this field. As you can see, quite a bit of grass growing already. We're aiming into the sun here, so we're going to head up that way, cover all the lumps and bumps along by the stream side, and using again the XTerra. Nice machine. I'll catch up with you guys later and see what we have in the goodies patch. Well, we've been going for an hour or so, and all we've had is some lots and lots of junk. But this signal's coming in quite nice. It's 12:14. So let's give them a dig and see what we got. Well guys, gone down about 10 inches, and we got a nice harness ring, bronze one, used for joining the leather straps together on the harness. Well, I've got it narrowed down to this little clod here. See, oh, and we can see what we got. We got a little button. We're 6 inches down. So we'll get this hole covered up and we'll go on to the next one. Time for a bit of lunch, I think, as well. Catch you later. Well, stop for a bit of lunch now. Not much to show for this morning. Lots of shotty caps, bits of bottle tops, couple of iron buckles, horse harness ring. Other than that, not a lot to show for it, considering we've come from all the way down there, right along the bank of the river. So not a lot to show for it. So we'll have a sit down for some lunch, admire the scenery, and then have another go this afternoon. Got a couple of hours yet before I have to go, so I'll catch up with you later. Well, definitely in that one. I can see him straight away, it's just fallen out. It's the first coin of the day. Looks like a George III. Very, very worn. Soil's eaten into the coin. But first coin of the day, which is a good sign. So we'll carry on, get this hole filled in and go on to the next one. Well, we've got him out the hole, and he's definitely in this clod here. Nothing obvious. It's a nice high tone, so I'm expecting a coin. No. Again, hiding from me. I'll have to get the probe out, see what we've got. Just move the coil out the way because that interferes with the probe. Oh, there we go. Down here. I was right, it was a coin. I don't know what we got yet. Again, it looks like another George III halfpenny. Well, I'll have to get that home and have a better look. But at least this little area, I've had 2 coins now in 10 minutes, so we'll carry on in this area till the rest of the day, see if we can get some more. Well, just took a spade fell out there, the coin just fell out the side of the hole. Looks like it's another halfpenny. All very, very worn as usual. But it's another coin, so it seems to be this area got pulling out a few coins. So we'll try and get that one identified when we get home, but we'll get the hole filled in. Catch up with you later.